everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating on how I do my messy hair tutorial with the Gimme beauty products. This is their little starter kit. It comes with a little pink scrunchie and 2 little ribbon ties, and of course their little hair ties as well, and it comes with a cute little pink zip bag. I like using their products just because their hair tie doesn't pull my hair or anything, and of course I have thick hair, so this works out really well. Alright, and now I'm going to demonstrate on how I get this messy bun hair tutorial. Alright, I'm going to get the Gimme Beauty hair tie, and then of course I'm just going to flip my hair down, grab all my hair that I can, like this, and then I'm going to put it into one loop of the hair tie, and then a second loop. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go just halfway, sort of like a little, I guess you say, ball. So I got all this hanging out. So what I'm going to do is split this into 2 pieces, and then I'm going to put one piece in front, and then I'm going to just tuck it behind the hair tie. And then I'm going to get the other piece as well and just go behind it, and then just tuck it in as well into the hair tie. So of course you just gotta fix some little ends that were out. Then you get this big, voluptuous, messy hair bun. And of course it makes your hair look fuller, even though if you have like thin hair, it just gives a little bit more volume. And I just pull some pieces down from my face to look not so tight on my head. And of course, since I have long, thick hair, if you need to secure it with some bobby pins, just go in there and just tighten it in so it can stay secure to your head. And that's it. And that is how I get my messy bun hair tutorial from Gimme Beauty products. Y'all enjoy!